Hello everyone. Today we will start the first chapter of information technology is computer virus. In this chapter we will discuss about the definition of computer virus, types of computer virus and what a computer virus do, sources of computer virus attack, prevention from computer virus and also the best antivirus software. First of all, we discuss what is the meaning of virus. Virus stands for Vital Information Resource under siege. Viruses are bad software, bad programs, which are created deliberately to damage critical information and data. A virus can badly affect your computer without your knowledge and can alter the working of the computer. Once a virus is entered in your computer, your files and operating system may get damaged. Now the next term is virus author. Means what is the meaning of virus author? Computer virus do not generate by chance. The programmer of a virus known as a virus author intentionally writes a virus program with a motive to damage or program residing in the computer. Writing a virus program usually requires significant programming skills. The next is a few symptoms that tells your computer might have a virus. First is slow response and slow program execution. The next is random hard drive crashes and restarts. The next is distort graphics and text. And the next, files that have mysteriously vanished, extensive pop-up ads, and the last, inability to open files with existing password. Now, how many types of virus which are harmful for a computer? First is file infector virus, second is boot sector virus, third is executable file virus, and the last is macro virus. Now we will discuss the first type of virus, file infector virus. This is the most common type of virus. It adds virus code to the regular programming code within the program files. Means attaches itself to the other program files. When these programs are run from floppy, hard drive or network, they affect to other files. Many are memory resident. When any file that is executed in the memory also becomes infected. For example, Jerusalem and Cascade. Now the second type is boot sector virus. A boot sector virus infects boot sector of computers. During system boot, boot sector virus is loaded into main memory and destroys data stored in hard disk. Or we can say boot virus infect the boot record of hard disk and floppy disk. Generally, these are considered more dangerous than program virus. The third type is executable file virus. Here, first of all, I want to tell you what is the meaning of executable file. An executable file is a type of computer file that runs a program when it is opened. This means it executes code or a series of instructions contained in the file. Now we discuss executable file virus. This virus stores itself in an executable file and infect other file each time the file is run or executed. Here, what's the meaning of, what's the extension of executable file? .exe and the other program files .sys, .com, etc. Now the last is macrovirus. It is a computer virus written in the same macro language used for software programs, including Microsoft Excel or word processor. Here the example of the word processor means Microsoft Word. These viruses infect the data files. These viruses spread rapidly, share infected files. Now we discuss that about what a computer virus do. Means when a virus enter in our computer, what will happen? A virus tries to take control of computer system. It has infected at the first opportunity available. It makes copies of itself and also try to carry harmful tasks written in its program. This process can happen so quickly that the user is not even aware of the presence of a virus in his or her computer. Means virus can totally destroy our computer functioning or computer processing speed as well as hardware also. Now I'm telling the name of the top 5 sources from the computer virus can attack in your computer. First is downloadable programs. Second is cracked software. Third is email attachments. And the next is internet. And the last is booting from CD. Now the last is, what is the meaning of antivirus? What's the need of antivirus? And the best antivirus software for the computer. Now, first of all, we discuss something with you because we already discussed in the previous slide. Okay, what is the meaning of virus? Virus means a bad program that damage our critical data and information. For the solution of virus, programmer make a software known as antivirus. Antivirus is a good program that removes the virus from our computer. Or we can say antivirus program detect the changes that the virus cause in the computer. You should install an antivirus to safeguard your computer from virus attack and also update it regularly. An antivirus program protects a computer against virus, identifying and removing any computer virus found in the memory, storage media or incoming files. Now we tell the some best antivirus software. First is Norton antivirus, second is McAfee antivirus, and the next is AVG antivirus. Thanks. Have a nice day.